Okay, second grade, we have made it to week 5. Let's take a look at what the contents of your week 5 packet are. Your decodable this week is Pentagon Planet. You've got spelling word list 26 and the sentences. You've got worksheet 131, homework 131, and this is covering prefixes, which we introduced what prefixes were last week. This is covering prefixes bi, mis, mono, pent, quad, re, and tri. You've got worksheet 132, homework 132. This is covering suffix age. Then we will cover the second part of the doubling rule with worksheet 133, homework 133, and it says doubling rule part 2. Also, along with lesson 133, you have some words to alphabetize. You should notice that all of these words have final stable syllable T-I-O-N, but that doesn't necessarily impact how you alphabetize those, so don't let that throw you off. Worksheet 134 front, homework 134 back, and this is called the changing rule that relates to dropping the Y and changing it to I and when to do that. You have assessment number 27, front and back. You've got your cups and radar editing and revising passage. It's called Tony. Make sure you use your red pen. Edit and revise. Make sure you do the revision piece and then rewrite it on notebook paper with all your corrections. This week, we will be talking about synonyms. We talked about antonyms. This week, we're going to talk about synonyms. You've got your target comprehension passage, and this is about a dog named Lassie. And then for social studies, this is just kind of a review of the goods and services newspaper, which I will attach that again to this blend space, so you'll have a digital copy of that to help you through this. Okay. This week, your class read aloud is going to be The Napping House, because one of my favorite things to do is sleep. So The Napping House happens to be one of my absolute favorite books, and it kind of reminds me a little bit of my family when my kids were younger too. So The Napping House will be your class read aloud, and then for your writing prompt, you are going to write a persuasive paper trying to persuade someone as to whether or not you believe that taking a nap is important or not. Okay? Daily naps, are they important or not, and why? Let me know if you have any questions about anything in that packet.